Hi there, it's Amanda from the Natural Hormone Solution. And I know that this time of year we're focused a lot on how we can feel better, have more energy, sleep more soundly, and really release those feelings of racing mind. If you feel wired and tired or anxious, like you just can't settle and be present for your relationships, your family, your children, your spouse. And of course, weight gain. Weight gain is always a topic in January when we're looking to release those extra pounds that creep up during the holidays. And a lot of women are really curious about how these different dynamics are affected with their hormone levels. And especially thyroid, when we talk about thyroid hormone levels, when we talk about the difference of estrogen and progesterone and even our cortisol, there's such a game changer when you can know specifically what's happening in your body and how to address these hormones in a symphony, right? Those are going to be a different strategy if you're somebody who has maybe in those perimenopause or menopausal years where progesterone has dropped off really low and you have estrogen dominance, right? That can lend itself to anxiety. It can lend itself to weight gain. It can also lend itself to really slowing down your thyroid activity. So there can be a whole host of reasons that are underlying the imbalance for the symptoms that you're experiencing. And that's what we're going to be uncovering in our 10-day thyroid and hormone reset, kicking off on January 17th. I'm so excited and can't wait for you to join us. So be sure, if you haven't already yet, join us, click on the link in the information and check it out. And you'll learn some really great practical strategies to take it one step by step at a time and know what's going to work best for your unique body. See you there.